Dragon Ball action figure toy review. Goku Super Saiyan figure. The size of this figure is 7 inch. The material of this figure is rubber. I buy it online for a cheap price. The design is detailed and the sculpture is good. There is no markings. It is not articulated. It's like a figurine. Like, share, subscribe, follow for more videos.